Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model 3 RWD versus Long Range. We will explore their key differences in performance, range, and features to help you decide which model best suits your needs. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed purchase. We will also touch upon the value proposition of each variant, ensuring you have a complete picture. When it comes to performance, the long-range model clearly pulls ahead. It can reach 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, significantly quicker than the rear-wheel drive's 5.8 seconds. This difference is noticeable in daily driving. For range, the long range boasts an impressive 341 miles, while the RWD offers a still respectable 272 miles. Consider your typical travel distances when choosing. Both Model 3 variants share a sleek, minimalist interior design centered around a large 15-inch touchscreen display. However, the long-range model elevates the experience with a premium audio system featuring 17 speakers, subwoofers, and amplifiers. Charging capabilities are largely consistent, with both models supporting fast charging at superchargers. You will find the user experience remarkably similar in many aspects. The rear-wheel drive model offers a more accessible entry point into Tesla ownership, with a starting price around $38,990. The long range, with its enhanced performance and range, typically starts closer to $47,740. Your choice depends on your budget and priorities for speed and travel distance. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. These can help you save time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.